The start of the data refresh process, each file is mapped to the concentric keys, unlocking out-of-the-box packs and calculations. You can choose whether you want to load all of your given dataset types or not on this page. Once the files are mapped, they are assigned into buckets of people, positions, or both people and position. In this case, the people, finance, and made-up company files are assigned to the people dataset, while the positions, vacancies, and locations files are assigned to the positions dataset. As the files have now been assigned to their designated data type, the process of combining the files together begins. For the people file, we first merge together the people and finance data. Once those two are merged together, we need to union the made-up company data onto the existing people and finance data already merged. Now that all the people data has been brought together, the data refresh process will move on to the positions files. First, it will take the positions data and merge it with the outstanding vacancies within the organizations. Location data is based in a separate file and needs to be merged onto our positions and vacancies data. Once this is complete, all of our data has been brought together, ready for the next step. To prevent bad data being loaded into OrgView, which can cause inaccuracies with the data and potentially impact modeling, we run checks on the data prior to load. The first check is on the number of records that we wish to load into OrgView. For instance, if your organization is 5,000 employees and the load file only consists of 3,000, you probably don't want to load that file. Additionally, if your organization has 5,000 employees and you try to load 8,000 records, then there must be something wrong. The second check we make is on the properties being loaded. Per dataset type, you can configure whether you'd like the data load to stop if a given property is missing. Think, what if I try to load data and my file doesn't have salary information in? Will my reports be up to date? Probably not. Therefore, prior to load, we check against certain properties, and if one of those are missing, that dataset type will not be loaded. Moving on to the final step. The final check we make is on duplicates. Duplicates in the data can cause the wrong information being loaded. Also, if you have duplicates, you probably want to know about it. A duplicate record is being defined as more than one of the same record, where same is defined as the ID of the dataset. Therefore, if you have two employees with identical IDs, then that is a duplicate. To solve this, we give you a couple of options. We can either load one of the duplicate records into the dataset, however, you cannot pick which one. Otherwise, we can load none of them. Either way, all duplicates get stored in the duplicates dataset that you can follow up on once the data has been loaded.